Hey everyone, to thank you for your amazing support and to celebrate the arrival of 2026, we are launching a special video contest and giving away annual InShot Pro memberships to 10 lucky winners. Joining is super easy. Just make a video using InShot, upload it to YouTube, at the hashtag InShot2026. Both YouTube Shorts and long-form videos are accepted. Your video can be any theme and any length, so go ahead, get creative and share with us your favorite memories from 2025. You can do a Christmas edit or recreate any of your favorite tutorials you see on our YouTube channel. We'll watch every video under this hashtag and pick 10 of our favorite edits. Contest runs from December 16th to January 6th, so be sure to publish your videos during that period. And winners will be announced from January 8th, 2026. So good luck, and we can't wait to watch your entries. Let's keep creating amazing things in 2026 with InShot. Happy New Year!